Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Toyota Tacoma in Forza Horizon 5. Acquiring this versatile truck for your garage is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the easiest methods. We'll cover the main in-game options to ensure you can add this fantastic vehicle to your collection without any hassle. Get ready to hit the roads and trails of Mexico in your new Tacoma very soon. The most direct way to get your Tacoma is through the auto show. Simply navigate to any festival site or one of your player houses, then select the auto show option. Once there, browse the manufacturers until you find Toyota. You can then purchase the Tacoma directly using your accumulated in-game credits, typically costing around 35,000 credits, making it a very accessible option for many players. Another excellent method is to check the auction house. This is a great place to find vehicles, often at a lower price than the auto show. Head to the auction house from your festival site or house, then search for the Toyota Tacoma. You can place bids on active auctions or use the buyout option for an instant purchase. Keep an eye out for good deals to save some of your valuable credits. Once you've acquired your Toyota Tacoma, the fun truly begins. Take it to the garage to customize its performance and appearance, tailoring it for your favorite events. Whether you prefer off-road adventures, street racing, or just cruising, this truck is incredibly versatile. Get out there and explore the vast and beautiful landscapes of Mexico, tackling any challenge that comes your way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.